Hey there, it's Marcus from RDP Arena. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect to your Linux VPS from your Mac in 3 easy steps. Don't worry if you've never done this before. I'll make it super simple and you'll be connected in just a few minutes. Before we jump in, there's one quick thing you should know. When you connect to your Linux VPS using SSH, you won't see a desktop with windows and icons like you're used to. Instead, you'll get a command line interface where you type commands. Alright, with that being said, let's get you connected. The first step is to simply open the Terminal app on your Mac. The fastest way to do this is by using Spotlight Search. Click on the search icon at the top right of your screen and type Terminal. When you see the Terminal app appear in the results, just click on it and it will open up. You'll see a window with a black background and some text. This is where you'll type in your commands. Now for step 2, you need to type a specific command that tells your Mac which server to connect to. Type in SSH, followed by a space, then your username, the @ symbol, and finally, your server IP address. In case you don't have these details, just check your inbox for the welcome email you received from your VPS provider. If you purchased your VPS from us, you will receive an email like this that includes your server IP, your username, and your password, so you can easily copy them. Once you've typed in the command with your details, press Enter. Your Mac will now try to connect to your server. The first time you connect, you'll see a security warning asking if you're sure you want to continue connecting. This is completely normal. Your Mac is just being cautious because it's never connected to this server before. Just type Yes and press Enter to confirm. Now, for step 3, you need to enter your password. You can either type it in carefully, or you can go back to that welcome email, copy the password, and paste it into the terminal. Do note that when you type or paste your password, you won't see any characters or dots appear on the screen. Once you're done typing or pasting your password, simply hit Enter on your keyboard. And just like that, you're in. You're now connected to your Linux VPS, and you can start using it right away. To make sure everything is running smoothly, you can run a quick test command. Type free followed by a space, then -M and hit Enter. This command will show you exactly how much RAM your server is currently using. Looking at my screen, you can see this specific server has 1 GB of RAM available. This is actually our XEN1024 plan, which is perfect if you're just getting started with a VPS, or if you need a reliable server for basic tasks. Speaking of which, if you're ready to get your own Linux VPS that's fast, reliable, and easy to manage, we've got several plans available at rdparena.com. And don't worry about payment. We take PayPal, credit or debit cards, or even crypto, so you can choose whatever works best for you. I've dropped the purchase link in the description to make things easy. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a like, subscribing to our channel, and hitting the bell icon for future notifications. In case you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We'll do our best to help you out.